Hello everyone.
Hello everyone.
Welcome to the Glorious Kitchen. I'm Shannon, your host. My husband Matt.
What are we cooking today?
Today we are cooking a fire roasted salsa.
Exciting. You know what that needs? Maybe a little tequila. We're doing it. That's my job in this relationship, is to provide the drinks.
Yes, that is basically what he's good for.
Bit of a Mexican vibe, but that's really... Cheers. I am ready to cook.
Whew. If you're cooking with me, then thank you for doing it with us. Yeah.
Jeez, the tequila is kicking in. I might need another one.
Let's do this. So, get your fry pan on the stove and turn up the heat to medium high. So we want to get the pan nice and hot, but you're not putting any oil in it. It's just going to be a dry pan, okay? So I'm starting with half a red onion. So I'm just chopping that into some larger pieces. And we're going to use 1 or 2 garlic cloves. I don't want to overpower it. And just give it another smash or 2. Whoops. We want a chili. 1 red chili. You decide how much you want, how much spice you like. Okay, so we've got these in the pan. So now we're just gonna keep them from burning, of course. And in the meantime, we're going to prep the tomato. We're going in with the tomatoes, and I'm going to put them skin side down so that the skin can start to crisp up.
Smelling unbelievable already.
Okay.
Simple, but great.
So we're in. Okay, so we're just gonna give those a couple minutes, keeping an eye on it, of course.
Yeah, beautiful.
The blender is in action. What we're going to do is we're going to put half of the tomatoes into the blender and all of the onions and garlic and chili.
And that's it in there, nothing else.
No, that's not, there's more.
Now
Lime.
Yes. Good old lime.
Next, lime. Very important part of Mexican cooking. I think it literally gets used in everything. Okay. So some fresh coriander. Keep the stems on. It doesn't matter. It's going in the blender. So in they go. Now we're just going to blend this really for as short amount of time as possible. We don't want to turn it to total liquid, but we do want to get the onions and the garlic and the chili chopped as finely as we can so that you're not getting a big chunk when you eat it with your tortilla chips. Okay, we're looking good. Okay, so now, oh my God, it smells amazing. Smell.
Oh, that is great.
Okay, so now we're going to add in the rest of the tomatoes so that there's still a bit of chunkiness going on there. We have yet to add the other most important ingredient in Mexican cooking. Do you know what it is?
I don't. Please inform me.
Salt.
Salt.
Yes.
Really? Second most important.
I don't know. I think so. That would be my guess.
That sounds made up.
Ooh, it is delicious.
Oh,
It is definitely Matt's level of spiciness. okay, yum. It looks super, super good. So, and it smells amazing. And it's super fresh, and you know exactly what's in it, and that was pretty easy to make. So
serve that up at your next taco night. Oh, another one. And that is how you do salsa.
delicious.
And spicy.
Next week, we are going to be making
What are we doing?
Tim McGraw's spinach and avocado frittata.
Who's Tim McGraw?
Oh my God, a legendary country singer. And for some reason, he has recently released a health and wellness book.
Tim McGraw.
Yeah, Tim McGraw.
God.
So,
I'm not a
so
big country and western fan.
oh, I am a big country fan.
I know.
We'll see you then, you guys.
Bye for now.
Bye for now.